Hi, we are at Singapore at the NTU University, and with me is a top-notch educationist from West Jaipur, Rajasthan. So, sir, kindly introduce yourself and tell about your experiences during these 3-4 days of Singapore educational trip.
Well, I'm Ashok Vaid. I'm principal in Maheshwari Public School, Jaipur. In fact, it was wonderful to be here because there are a lot of takeaways from the education system of Singapore. Because when you talk about education, if you see in totality, there are a lot of similarities between Indian education system and their education system. The kind of child-centric approach which they have got is wonderful, in which they have, we visited a school today, where they were telling us about the different classes for different students of different stages, so that the difficulty level is solved and the curriculum is aligned to the ability of the child. That is one big takeaway which we can do it. Although there is a difference in India because our syllabus or curriculum is quite structured, in senior class in particular, but yes, definitely till primary classes or till 8th classes, I think that's a wonderful takeaway from that. That is there, Number two, the activities which they conduct after school was very impressive, Like it's not, no child is forced to be there, but all their co-curricular activities are normally held after the school hours, so that they are free and they're doing a particular thing. The involvement of community is also good. The parents' involvement is very good, and the kind of maintenance they have, the standards they have, the quality they have, and the punctuality they have is all wonderful. So it was very nice to be here.
Now I have another top educationist from India, Surat, Gujarat, Dr. Monica Sharma. So, Dr. Monica, kindly tell me about your experiences and your learnings and your takeaways from this Singapore educational trip.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Monica Sharma from Surat, Gujarat, from Nanduba English Academy. I'm working as a principal over there, and here we are, last from 4 or 5 days we are here in the Singapore, and we are learning a lot about the Singaporean education system, and we think that we have to implement a few features for the betterment of this, for the education system of our country, for making bright future of the nation. So we are taking few good features from here, because we are taking lots of many visit of the schools and universities. So few features just we feel that we have to be up. Rather, our education system is very good. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much. Another top-notch educationist from India, from Banaras, Uttar Pradesh, Mrs. Amrita Burman, and she is renowned in educational circles. So, madam, kindly tell me your views, your takeaways, and your experiences of this 4-day Singapore trip.
So I think it's been a very invigorating 4 days that I've had with a great set of very nice people. And as I've been telling everyone, it's not so much that we've learned inside the room as much as I have learned probably outside the room, and also from our discussions. So I think a quality of any learning experiences, not only what the facilitator gives you, but how many questions are asked by different people and how do you raise the level of the discussion, because that discussion gives you a lot of takeaways. I've come here a number of times before, but I wanted to see the education system of Singapore deeply. I have seen the university system. I wanted to see the school system, because finally I'm running a lot of schools. And I think that certain systems of theirs, though it may be at the ministerial level, may not be relevant to us, but there's always great takeaways about the way they recruit, about their teacher education, about the fact that they believe in meritocracy, they believe in teachers' commitment, a purpose for education, and more importantly, the fact that every teacher needs to be accountable for what they are doing. I think these are very simple things. It doesn't have to come from our ministry. It has to come from our hearts as educators, and we can 100% kind of go back and implement a lot of these things. So I'm really looking forward, excited to get back to my school, to my environment, and take.
Hi, and now with me is Hamza from Baldwin Group of Institutes, Bangalore. So Hamza, kindly tell me about your experiences and your takeaways from this.
Hi, this is Hamza Venugopal from Bangalore. I'm representing New Baldwin Group of Institution. So this 4 days of journey has been an incredible learning for us. When I was seeing the success of Singapore and the education system of Singapore, I felt there's a great linkage between that. A great success of a country is inside the schools of the country. So here in Singapore, when we saw this schools having a high value system, the students here are taught great human values, great life skills, and they're imbibing the value of humanity inside the kids. So this has brought this great nation, Singapore. So this, I think, is a great takeaway today. And the next point is the teacher's accountability. There's no need of supervision here because each teacher takes accountability in their teaching and learning process with the kids. And there's a lot of trust factor given to the students here. There's a lot of customization of curriculum for the students. There's a great bond between the parent, the teacher. There's a great bond between the leader of the schools and the students. So there's a lot of the ecosystem of the schooling here is well balanced and well planned, which is giving a great result out here. So I think these are the things we have to carry on. One is the value system, the leadership quality of the school leaders of Singapore, and the way they treat the students and the bondage between the students, the bond between the parent and everything, every decision which is taken here, they keep it student-centric. So be it conducting
Now another delegate from Singapore EduTrip, Miss Manisha Karigar from Mumbai. And Manisha, I would like to know about your varied experiences about this 5-day Singapore trip.
Hello everybody, this is Manisha Karikar, Principal of Muljibai Mehta International School, Virar, Mumbai. It was a great learning experience, and how we learned how to transform the things. You know, we're going to take a lot of things from Singapore, and the institute which we visited, we had a great learning experience, and we understood the teaching pattern over here, how it is, and we might try our level best to inculcate so many things, you know, when we go back to India. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manisha. With me, Miss Pooja Singh from Mumbai. And Pooja, I would like to ask the question similar to the other ones. How are your experiences and what are your takeaways and learnings from this Singapore trip?
Good afternoon, everyone. It was really a very good and learning experiences, I would say. I have taken quite a few takeaway for my school especially, sir. The takeaway one which I really liked, it was about the peer learning. I liked about the leadership. I liked about the positive mindset that we have to put in our system. There are many organizational culture, what they have told us, that culture is very important for any system. So there are many other takeaway, but the few takeaway which I really liked is about the positive learning, about the peer learning, and how every child is unique and he can do. It's just that we have to support. So I really like this, the totally learning experience, and also the journey with you all educationists. It was really a nice experience for me.
Thank you,
so
Pooja.
much.
Thank you so much.
you so much.
Hello, my next participant is Miss Neena Never, our principal from Prudence School, Dwarka, New Delhi. And Neena ji, I would like to ask, what have been your experiences and how do you feel to be at Singapore and what you have learned during these days?
Hi, I'm Neena Newar, Principal of Prudence School, Dwarka 16B, New Delhi. And I must tell you, it has been an awesome experience out here. It was a learning experience right from day one. And the best part of it was the principals from all different schools, management from all different schools had gathered together. So it was a gathering of people with great minds and we having interaction. That was one beautiful thing that we have had. And then the Singaporean school visit, that was another learning experience for all of us. We had a great time, and I must hope for us to be together in this manner. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neena ji. Thank you.
Thank you.